What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw by the beginning of this video, you guys saw we got a package. We got it inside the car. I'm outside the boy Chicken Joe's house because we are going to be installing something on Ruby. Yes, finally, after a while, we're finally going to be doing some installs on this car. Like I said, guys, 2021, we're hitting it just right. Have a lot of plans and goals for this car and for the channel, so that's what we're going to be doing today. As you guys can probably see by the title and like thumbnail of this video, yes, we're going to be installing some spacers on this car, even though I know the wheel gap is pretty bad, and maybe a lot of you guys are going to get mad because I should have dropped it first and then did it, but either way, you could just take them off and then put them back on when I lower it. But that's what we're going to be doing. I just wanted better fitment because I do plan on getting some roller shots with Chicken Joe's photography over here and more photographers eventually in the future. And just for the meantime, better fitment than it is right now. I just believe it just tucks in way too much. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Got the boy Carlos, 2 Val Luna, pulling up right now too. So we got the whole gang sliding to do this little install. And like I said, if you guys are new, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam if you're into all this car installs, car vlogs, car races, anything related to cars. Join the fam. And yeah, as you guys haven't seen, this is the 5.0 killer. This is the other Z killer. Clean a Z in sack. As you guys can see, paint still looking like a mirror. Bro, let us know what's going on, bro. We haven't seen this in a while, so what's going on?
You know,
thanks for telling us, bro. Yes, guys, the Z is down, but it's gonna be back up very, very soon. But we're gonna be actually installing the little spacers right now, get that good proper fitment on the car stance. So it's gonna look right, guys, and I want to show you guys actually the little before. So as you guys can see, it's pretty tucked in. It does not come out as well, and I wanted it to come out a little bit more. Nothing crazy, just a way better fitment because this front one is so bad, and I really did not want to get some rollers or just some pictures of the car without it at least having a better fitment. Like I said, maybe other people probably say like I should lower it first, but guys, it's just a spacer. So I mean, you could take it off, put it back on whenever. But yeah, I think it's gonna look super good on this car. And if you got new to all this car scene and want to actually install this, hey, here's a little install video, but we are actually going to be opening them for you. So yeah.
And now a word from our sponsors.
couple sprays, you know. Light pressure, about 10 new meters. You let it on, you let it mist in. This works on carpet, everything. Carpet, spoilers, wings, all the shit. Flip the rag over.
Okay.
I don't know why it's not coming off, but this is how to get your Z looking like, your whip looking like the Z. The famous Z.
2 Val Luna, Mr. 2 Val Luna, what do you got to say? Hey, watch out. I got a knife in my hand.
Nothing, bro. I'm just chilling.
Flip it one more
Follow him
time.
on TikTok.
Hey, get the camera on my face.
All right, you guys are going to be opening this box on top of the spoiler. Gonna actually see what's inside the package real quick. Some little goodies. Here you go, boys. You guys can have that one. Look at this, boys. We got the black spacers right here. Looking real nice. Hub Septric. Okay. So let's just hope this comes out good, looks good, boys. But we're actually going to be moving the 5.0 in the driveway next to the fastest Z. 2 Val Luna is going to be parking his car somewhere around here. But yeah, let's get started with this video. All right, you guys, so we got the 5.0 parked up in the driveway right here. So you guys can see 2 Val Luna, 5.0 right here, Ruby. And we got, of course, Chicken Joe's stock DE right here. And let's just get ready with this install. and get these spacers on, get that good fitment, looking way much better. And then maybe after we can go give it a wash because it is super dirty. Boba on Chicken Joe, Daytona jack stand, and yeah. So let's get started with this video, boys. Take these bad boys off. Sheesh! Look at that 315 in the back. So we're gonna pass that on to Carlos. All right, so as you guys see, got the tire off. I want to clean off the little surface. Get your new little spacer right here. So you guys can see, hub centric, little something like nice shit. But look at that. Sheesh! All right. Look at that, boys. The camera can get it. Sheesh! It's gonna look nice.
Sorry.
Nice.
That's 150. See, it still moves. So you keep going.
All right, guys. So we got the spacer on, looking nice. This is the final product right here. Now we throw that. Now we throw on that sticky Mickey Thompson 315 in the back drag radial, and we just see how this fitment looks, cause it was looking a little rough before.
Yeah, fitment track.
Let's get it. All right, you guys. So we got the whole tire looking nice, as you guys can see. It's poking out a lot more. Obviously, I'm gonna show you guys the whole thing at the end, but do the honors, boss.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Cause I'll drop them. Why'd you get an X550? I'll drop them motherfucker. Damn.
Sheesh. Look at that. Hey, that shit's poking, bro.
That shit's in flush, bro.
And it's only a 5-inch spacer.
Hold on.
Holy, that shit's poking nice though.
Hey, go on this side.
You guys see? Look at that difference, boys. Oh my god.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. All right.
Goddamn.
So we're gonna get the front ones, do everything. As you guys see, you still got the
I say you do the other rear one.
wheel
bro.
gap. Yeah, but we're gonna do all of them. We finish installing this. I'll show you guys how it comes out, and yeah, let's
You
get
might
it.
have to move it for this.
Put that brimble looking nice. Look at that thumbnail. All right, guys. So we got all the spacers on. Got everything. We're gonna park it up right here in front, just so we can see how it's looking. Sheesh. It's looking real good, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that flush fitment right here. Sheesh. Shout out to the boys. Shout out to the boys, Chicken Joe and Carlos, obviously helping out.
Our hands look like this, so his.
I love it too, bro.
As you guys can see, that fitment is looking a lot better, but that wheel gap is still bad. Sheesh. Lowering springs coming soon, boys, but this is just a step forward. I really like how this is looking right now. It's looking real nice and beefy. Nice and beefy. We're gonna go for a little drive, get some little rollers, let it settle in a little bit more. But yeah, so let's just go see. Everything turns out good. Let's go see how it goes. And just like that, guys, we got some little rollers for you guys. Showed you guys how it's looking, and it is looking freaking amazing. But I wanted to show you guys exactly how it looked under that gas lighting, because you guys know gas lighting does hit so much different. We got the halos looking on right now, and it's looking super freaking mean. But I wanted to actually show you guys. I wanted to show you guys exactly how the Fitment looks, because I freaking love it. It looks super meaty. It just looks super flush, and I really enjoyed this little install. And it's not expensive at all. It is probably, this costing me about 80 bucks for the whole thing, but you could honestly get them cheaper. You could get, if you only want the 2 sets, you can get them for like 40, you can get them for like 50. So literally, this is a simple mod that I feel like every Mustang should have, because look at that flush Fitment right there. That is looking super good. I want to show you guys from right here. See how it just comes out just perfect. And this is 1 inch all around, guys. You guys can go bigger if you guys want, but I really love this 1 inch spacer. It looks freaking good. This one's pretty aggressive. When we had it on, I was like, yo, is this even 1 inch? Because this looks freaking mean. Let me show you guys from the back side, see if you guys can kind of see it. Get you guys from the angle. Like I said, you guys can choose if you guys want only like the back ones, if you guys only want the front ones. I highly just recommend doing all of them. The back ones are like, you know, a little bit more decent stock when you don't have nothing, but the front ones, oh my god, the fronts look so bad without a spacer or anything, and it looks so freaking good now. It's so flush, and I freaking love it. It's looking freaking amazing. I wanted to get you guys a little look at how it's looking, exactly how it came out, and it was such a simple, easy install. I didn't actually get into a depth into this install because it wasn't hard at all. It was pretty self-explanatory. You know, just take off the tire, or lift up the car up, take off the tire, take off the bolts, then literally slide on the spacer and do the same thing right back. So it's not like a huge like install video or how to do this step by step, because it's honestly pretty easy, and it was fun. You know, I had a fun time with the boys. Shout out to the boys for actually helping me, the boy Chicken Joe for letting us borrow his tools and his little space area. And we actually got some pretty sick rollers. My boy was getting those good angles for you guys, and I just think it looks great. Like I said though, that wheel gap is killing me. I know, guys, it is, and I plan on eventually, you know, getting rid of it to make it look super nice. And I think this is just one step forward. This is one step forward to it looking super good, and then with wheels and everything, it's gonna look fire, guys. It's gonna look freaking dope. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Some spacers for the 2018 to 2020 Mustang, but you could do this on like any car. Honestly, you could do it on any car you guys want, even though if it's not a Mustang, it could be any car. It just really looks so much better, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed it, because this is honestly really fun, super easy, and it was not expensive at all. So I highly recommend this, especially if your car is like stock kind of like mine is. Look wise, I think it really just makes those little things count on the car, and it just looks freaking sick. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are still watching, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, because like I said, 2021, guys, we were doing a lot of things to this car and to the channel. So stay tuned, because this is the year we do a lot of big things to the channel and hopefully grow, and I don't know, see where we can get somewhere in this. But yeah, like I said, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.